Its lights cut through water that has never seen sunlight. Beneath its treads lies a field of dark, potato-sized rocks. Scattered as far as the cameras can see, these rocks took somewhere between 1 and 10 million years to form. The machine is designed to collect as many of them as possible, as fast as possible. This is the Clarion-Clipperton Zone, a stretch of seabed roughly the size of the continental United States, sitting between Hawaii and Mexico. It belongs to no country. And in 2026, it has become one of the most quietly contested pieces of territory. To understand why, you have to understand what's sitting on that seafloor. The rocks are called polymetallic nodules, and they're rich in manganese, nickel, cobalt, copper, and rare earth elements. These are the exact materials used in electric vehicle batteries. The International Energy Agency projects that demand for many of them could roughly double by 2040. The International Energy Agency projects that demand for many of them could roughly double by 2040. On land, these metals are getting harder to secure. Cobalt supply is concentrated in a handful of countries. Nickel processing is dominated by a few players. But on the ocean floor, in this one zone alone, there's an estimated 320 million tons of cobalt sitting in nodules, compared to about 7 million tons in all of the world's known land reserves combined. For companies and governments looking to secure critical minerals, that number is hard to ignore. So who owns it? Under a United Nations treaty called the Law of the Sea, signed in 1982, the deep seabed beyond any nation's economic zone is legally defined as no country can claim it. Instead, an organization called the International Seabed Authority, based in Kingston, Jamaica, was. The problem is, the ISA has spent over a decade trying to write the rules for how mining in this shared territory would actually work, and it still hasn't finished. Since 2014, member states have negotiated draft after draft of what's known as the Mining Code, the rulebook that would need to be in place before any company could legally extract a nodule for profit. As of today, that code still doesn't exist. The ISA has issued exploration licenses, over 30 of them, allowing companies to survey and test equipment. But it has never issued a single license for actual commercial extraction. That delay has started to test people's patience.